In this tutorial, I will show you how to choose between our different pre-designed options. These options allow you to split the background color of your flag. You can find these options under the tab titled Pre-Made Designs. Here you can see all the possibilities. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the horizontal three-way split. Once you've made your choice, you'll be prompted to choose the colors of your background. You can change out the colors simply by selecting one of these boxes, choosing a hex code, and clicking OK. You can conveniently do more than one stripe the same color by selecting the colors already in use. After you're done, you can use any of the other design tabs to design your flag. To go back to editing your striped background, click on the background. You can switch out the background style by going back to the Pre-Made Designs tab. Keep in mind that if you already started designing your flag with other elements, switching the template will clear your flag back to a blank slate, as you can see. To return to one solid color as the background, select the solid color option and change the background with the background editing tab right here. For tips on how to edit the background of your flag, see the tutorial in the description. For more tips, continue to the next tutorial.